Hello and welcome to Brandy's Poetry Corner, reading from Les Murray's collection of poems, Waiting for the Past. Most of these poems are referring to his own past or present. I am of a generation that when I was young, I think I had at least two typewriters. And then I've been through everything since: golf ball, typewriters, all sorts of things. And now I have a laptop and a printer. But some people don't take to all of that. I don't think Les Murray does or did. And this poem is called The Privacy of Typewriters by Les Murray. The Privacy of Typewriters by Les Murray. I am an old book troglodyte, one who composes on paper and types up the result as many times as need be. The computer scares me, its crashes and codes, its links with spies and gunshot, its text that looks pre-published. I fear a carriage that doesn't move or ding, no inky marching hammers leaping up and subsiding. I trust the spore of botch, whiteouts where thought deepened, wise freedom from spell check, sheets to sell the National Library. I fear the lore of that baleful, misstruck key that fills a whiskered screen with the rise of child pornography, and the doors booting open, and the cops handcuffing me to a grislier video culture, Coraline in an ever colder sea. Thank you. I must admit, I've never accidentally hit a key and ended up in any kind of trouble, but there you are. For more poems read by me, I don't think I've done one about a typewriter before, look me up Brandy Pearson on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.